Hello everybody, today is a kind of different video because I'm going to cut the grass of the garden and I mounted the GoPro on the machine. So this is how it looks like, the machine, and yeah, this is the GoPro mounted. So it's fun, it's cardio, so let's do it. Ciao! So this is the result. So you can recognize the light blue house where I do the exercise. So here is where I seeded some new grass recently, and here is where I cleaned yesterday morning, early morning, and where this is where we are going to put a table to grow some tomatoes and so on. Okay, so for today is everything. I will most probably do a training later to post on the channel. Thank you. Ciao.